Welcome to a deep dive into one of BMW's most compelling, yet perhaps understated modern marvels, the BMW M440i. In a world often fixated on full-fat M cars, the M440i quietly, yet emphatically, carves out its own formidable niche. It's more than just an M-Light. It is a meticulously engineered machine that masterfully blends exhilarating performance, sophisticated design, and everyday usability. Today we'll break down 5 points on what makes the BMW M440i truly great. 1. The heart of the beast, the B58 engine. At the core of the M440i's greatness lies its powertrain, the legendary B58 inline-six engine. This 3-liter twin-power turbo unit is widely regarded as one of the best engines BMW has ever produced. In the M440i, it delivers a robust 382 horsepower for North American models, 374 horsepower in Europe, and a formidable 369 pound-feet of torque. Mated to an incredibly smooth and quick-shifting 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, this power enables the xDrive-equipped M440i to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.3 seconds. What's truly remarkable is not just the raw figures, but the engine's linear power delivery, immediate responsiveness, and an incredibly satisfying exhaust note. The integration of a 48-volt mild hybrid system further enhances efficiency and provides a seamless torque fill, eliminating any hint of turbo lag. 2. Chassis and driving dynamics. Precision meets performance. Beyond its potent engine, the M440i's driving dynamics are a testament to BMW's engineering prowess. It comes standard with M Sport suspension, which can be upgraded to adaptive M suspension, allowing drivers to tailor the ride from comfortable cruising to firm, focused dynamics. The precise, well-weighted steering provides excellent feedback, giving the driver confidence through every turn. Complementing this is the standard M Sport differential, which intelligently distributes power between the rear wheels for optimal traction and stability, especially when pushing hard. M Sport brakes, with their larger calipers and rotors, ensure formidable stopping power. The near 50-50 weight distribution, combined with BMW's renowned chassis tuning, results in a car that feels incredibly balanced, agile, and composed, whether carving through twisty roads or cruising on the highway. 3. Striking design and aesthetics, bold presence. The M440i's design is unmistakably BMW, yet it pushes the envelope with a bold, distinctive aesthetic. While the controversial large kidney grille certainly commands attention, the overall coupe silhouette is undeniably sleek and athletic. The M Sport package adds aggressive front and rear bumpers, pronounced side skirts, and distinctive M-specific accents, often in cerium gray such as the mirror caps and exhaust tips. Inside, the cabin is a masterclass in premium craftsmanship and driver-focused ergonomics. High-quality materials, comfortable M Sport seats, and a perfectly sized M Sport steering wheel create an inviting and luxurious environment. The attention to detail, from the stitching to the ambient lighting, reinforces the vehicle's premium positioning. 4. Technology and features. Intelligent integration. In an age where technology is paramount, the M440i excels with its intuitive and advanced features. It typically features the latest iteration of BMW's iDrive infotainment system, often with a large curved display merging the digital instrument cluster and central touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The list of available driver assistance systems is comprehensive, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a sophisticated parking assistant, all designed to enhance safety and reduce driver fatigue. From the crisp display of the head-up display to the immersive sound of the optional Harman Kardon audio system, the M440i seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology to elevate the driving experience. 5. Versatility and daily usability, the perfect blend. What truly sets the M440i apart and contributes significantly to its greatness is its remarkable versatility. This is a performance car that doesn't demand sacrifices for daily driving. Its ride, especially with the adaptive suspension, can be surprisingly comfortable for commutes, soaking up road imperfections with ease. The sedan, or Grand Coupe, variant offers practical rear seating and a generously sized trunk, making it a viable option for small families or weekend getaways. Even the coupe offers decent practicality for its segment. Fuel economy is respectable for a vehicle of its power and capabilities, thanks in part to the mild hybrid system. It embodies BMW's philosophy of offering a dynamic driving experience without compromising on comfort, refinement, or the reliability required for everyday use. Bonus: unlocking potential, tuning capability. As a bonus point, and a significant one for enthusiasts, is the M440i's tuning potential. The B58 engine is an absolute powerhouse, and its robust design means it can handle significant power increases with relative ease. With just a simple ECU tune, often referred to as a Stage 1 tune, the M440i can easily reach and even surpass the power figures of the standard M3 and M4 from the previous generation. Add a downpipe and a few other bolt-ons, and you're looking at a car producing well over 500 horsepower at the crank, reliably. The aftermarket support for the B58 and the G22/G26 chassis is immense, allowing owners to further enhance performance, handling, and aesthetics, transforming an already great car into a true giant killer. In conclusion, the BMW M440i is far more than just a stepping stone to a full M car. It is a masterclass in automotive engineering, offering a sublime blend of power, precision, luxury, and practicality. From its class-leading B58 engine and dynamic chassis to its sophisticated interior and incredible tuning potential, the M440i delivers an exceptionally rewarding driving experience that is both exhilarating and entirely livable. It truly embodies the ultimate driving machine ethos, making it without a doubt one of the most remarkably great vehicles BMW has ever produced. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing, because this is where horsepower, tuning, and performance never go out of style.